Now that we have basted down our seams at each of our center or side seams, we are going to go ahead and start the casing, which will create the waistband of our pants. Our first step is going to be to sew a marking line along the top side at 1/4 inch. This is just a marking line, but we will not have to remove it as long as we sew it nicely. To do this, I've lined up my waistband. My waistband is right here, and I've lined it up with the 1/4 inch marking line. Notice how I just have the one layer of fabric. My seams are open, but it's just one layer. I'm not sewing the sides together. It's just one layer for marking that will help us in order to turn in our seams to create our waistband. This is just a marking line so that then instead of having to measure as much, we can just fold along where we sew. I've also gone ahead and changed my sewing machine's stitch length back to 2.2. Yours might be 2.5, but it is no longer a basting stitch if 5.0. I've made it smaller. This line of stitching does not necessarily need back stitching, but I'm just going to sew along nicely at 1/4 inch, just like this. You will sew around the whole entire thing. When you get back to where you started, you can stop. Remember, you were sewing one giant circle, so you will end up right back where you started. So, good luck sewing!